Philodendron rugosum, a textured beauty for plant enthusiasts. Hey there, Furbu here. Today we're diving into the world of the Philodendron rugosum, a unique and captivating plant that's quickly gaining popularity among collectors. This beauty boasts stunning, textured leaves and a relatively easygoing nature, making it perfect for both seasoned plant parents and curious beginners. If you stumble upon this name and are wondering what all the fuss is about, keep reading. This FAQ will answer all your burning questions about the Philodendron rugosum. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What is Philodendron rugosum? The Philodendron rugosum is a climbing vine belonging to the Araceae family, the same family that houses household favorites like pothos and monstera. This exotic plant is native to the subtropical and tropical moist montane forests of Ecuador. The name rugosum comes from the Latin word ruga, meaning wrinkle. This aptly describes the Philodendron rugosum's most striking feature: its deep green, leathery leaves that develop a beautiful, wavy texture as they mature. The mature leaves can grow quite large, reaching up to 12 inches in length, and gather in folds around the stem, resembling a pig's ear, a charming quirk that endears it to many plant enthusiasts. Conservation status. It's important to note that due to habitat loss, Philodendron rugosum is classified as near threatened by the IUCN, International Union for the Conservation of Nature. If you're considering adding this plant to your collection, be sure to purchase it from a reputable source that prioritizes sustainable practices. How to care for Philodendron rugosum. The good news is Philodendron rugosum is a relatively low-maintenance plant. Here's what you need to know to keep yours thriving. Light. This plant prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. It can also tolerate lower light conditions, making it a good choice for bathrooms or dimly lit rooms. Water. Water your Philodendron rugosum when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a common mistake, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aroid mix, or a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works well. Humidity. While Philodendron rugosum can tolerate average household humidity, it thrives in a more humid environment. Grouping plants together or using a humidifier can help increase humidity levels. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, you can fertilize your Philodendron rugosum with a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month, diluted to half strength. Withhold fertilizer during fall and winter. Additional care tips. Philodendron rugosum is a vining plant. You can train it to climb a moss pole or trellis for an impressive vertical display. Alternatively, let cascade from a hanging basket for a lush, overflowing look. Wipe down the leaves occasionally with a damp cloth to remove dust and encourage new growth. Philodendron rugosum, like most philodendrons, is toxic to pets and humans if ingested. Keep it out of reach of curious children and furry friends. How to propagate Philodendron rugosum. Sharing the love for your Philodendron rugosum. Propagation is a fun and rewarding way to expand your collection or gift cuttings to friends. Here are 2 common methods. Stem cuttings. Take a stem cutting with at least 2 nodes, the bumps where leaves emerge. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional. Plant the cutting in a pot with moist, well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil consistently moist and provide indirect light. Roots should develop within a few weeks. Leaf cuttings. While less common, Philodendron rugosum can also be propagated from leaf cuttings. Take a healthy leaf with a petiole, leaf stalk, attached. Plant the petiole about an inch deep in a pot with moist potting mix. Cover the pot with a clear plastic bag to create a humid environment. New growth should emerge from the base of the petiole in a few months. What to plant with Philodendron rugosum. The Philodendron rugosum's unique texture and cascading form make it a versatile addition to any plant grouping. Here's some ideas for companion plants. Plants with similar light requirements. Pothos, Monstera deliciosa, Chinese evergreen, Philodendron birkin. Plants that add color. Bromeliads, Anthurium, Phytonia, nerve plant. Plants with contrasting foliage. Ferns, spider plants, Swedish ivy. With its captivating looks and easygoing nature, the Philodendron rugosum is a sure winner for any plant enthusiast. So, why not add this textural wonder to your collection and witness its captivating beauty unfold? Remember, with proper care and a little patience, your Philodendron rugosum will reward you with years of lush, textured foliage, adding a touch of the tropics to your indoor space.